Chapter 8. Parts of a plant. Plants play an important role in the environment. We find different types of plants in the environment. A plant has different parts. All these parts perform different functions. Therefore, each part has its own importance. It is important to know about all the parts of a plant. Basic two divisions of a plant are root and shoot. The root of a plant remains below the ground and is not visible to us. The shoot remains above the ground. We can see this part of a plant. All the branches, leaves, flowers, fruits and stem are parts of the shoot. Let us learn more about the parts of a plant. 1. Root. The root of a plant remains below the ground in every type of environment. Functions of root. The functions of root remain same even in every environment. The important functions of root are: 1. It fixes the plant in the soil. The plant thus stands properly. 2. Root absorbs water and salts from the soil and supplies to other parts of plant. 3. In some plants, the food prepared by the plant is stored in the root. We eat such roots like carrot, radish, beetroot, etc. Types of root. The root is of two types, fibrous root and taproot. A. Fibrous root. In this root, a large number of roots grow at the end of the stem. These roots are small in size. It is common in wheat, rice, onion and grass plants. B. Taproot. In this root, a main big root grows at the end of the stem. Many small roots grow from this main root. This root is more strong. It is common in the plants of cotton, balsam, mustard and bean. 2. Stem. The stem is the largest part of the plant. It is also the major visible part of a plant. It remains above the ground, therefore relates to the shoot part of the plant. The stem is also known as the backbone of the plant, as it supports the branches of the plant. It receives water and mineral salts from the root and passes to the other parts of the plant. Leaves also make food with the help of sunlight. This food also travels to other parts of the plant through stem. Activity. In a storm, some plants fell and some plants do not fall. Why? Stems of some plants are strong and hard, as in the case of neem tree. Such stems hold the plant firmly. Some plants have soft stems. The stem of banana tree is soft and green, but it has the capacity to hold the plant firmly. Stem of pea plant is very soft and weak. It cannot hold the plant. Such weak stems need support to climb up. Some stems grow beneath the ground like potato and ginger. It happens in those plants in which extra food is stored in the stem. We eat such stems. Some part of the sugarcane stem also grows in the soil. 3. Leaves. Leaves are very important to a plant because they make food for the plant. Leaves are also known as the food factory of plant. Leaves have small holes on the lower surface called stomata. During daytime, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen through stomata. Water vapors are also released through stomata. Do you know, during night there is no sunlight, therefore plants take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. People therefore do not sleep under the trees during night. In most of the plants, the leaves are of green color. The green color is because of the presence of chlorophyll, which takes energy from the sunlight. This energy combines with air and water to make food for the plant. This process of making food is called photosynthesis. The food is carried to other parts of the plant through stem. Thus, the plant grows. The extra food is stored in the form of starch. It is stored in the root or stem of the plant. The leaf of plant also has several parts. The flat broad part is called the leaf blade. In the middle part of leaf, there is main vein. On both sides of main vein, there are side veins, which are connected to the main vein. These veins bring water to the leaf. 4. Flower. Flowers are liked by all. They are the most beautiful part of a plant. When plants grow fully, they bear buds. The buds slowly grow into flowers. The flowers grow into fruits. The flowers have seeds in them which help in the reproduction of plants. The yellow substance on the flowers is called pollen. It is carried from one flower to another by butterflies, other insects, birds or wind. 5. Fruits. All fruits grow from the flowers. Most of the fruits have seeds inside them like papaya, orange, apple, melon. Mango has only one seed. Banana has no seed in it. Fruits are very tasty. We should eat fruits every day. Activity. Take some cotton and put it in a pot. Put some seeds or grains of pulses in it. Pour some water on it every day. You will notice the growth of a tiny plant in a couple of days. 6. Seeds. The seeds are placed inside the fruits and flowers. All the seeds have baby plants inside them. A little food is also stored inside them. When we sow a seed in the soil, the baby plant grows out of the soil. Slowly, it grows into a seedling and then in a plant. Things to remember. 1. Root and shoot are two major parts of a plant. 2. Root remains in soil and provides water and salts to plant. 3. Stem is strong and holds the plant. It supplies food to other parts. 4. Leaf is the food producer of plant. It has small holes called stomata. 5. Flowers are the beautiful part of plant. 6. All fruits grow from flowers. 7. Seeds are placed inside the fruits and they have baby plant in them. Task 1. Summative. A. Answer the following questions. B. Give answer in one word. C. Fill in the blanks by selecting words given below.